Determine whether each equation is an identity or whether it has no solution. By the way, identities means infinite number of solutions. It's the same on both sides, so everything will work for it. But first we need to simplify it. So what do we do here? Well, on this right-hand side, we can combine these like terms, 6k and negative 8k, and we get negative 2k, okay? On the left side, we combine k minus 3k. Remember, that's 1. 1k minus 3k, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So you get negative 2k equals negative 2k plus 5. And what I'm going to ask you to do, just to be sure you know what you're looking at, always continue on by saying, let's undo what the variable, the variable, right? If it says negative 2k, let's undo that with a plus 2k on both sides. So we say negative 2k plus 2k equals negative 2k plus 5 plus 2k. Combining these like terms, they go away, leaving nothing on that side, so you get 0. And on this side, they cancel out, and you get that 5. So you get 0 equals 5. True statement? Nope, that's a false statement. What do you think the answer is then? No solution. Okay? So if you combine all the terms and you rearrange it and you take away the variables from both sides, subtract the same amount from both sides until you're left with the variables, none of the variables there, it's no solution. By the way, if it wasn't this case where you had the same coefficient on the variable on both sides, once you combine everything and simplified it, then it's not a special case. It's just going to have one regular solution and you can do a proof on it. Okay? Let's look at one more.